About to die.
Body in the back here. Yeah, I was thinking about welding a piece to the backside of it. Yeah, there's some choices floating around. Well, either on the backside or on the inside, it wouldn't matter at this point.
What if we put one top? So that.
Just come up a little more, then we can slide the chassis forward a little, you know?
So you think I ought
Bump it up a little.
to, okay, I'm gonna try to watch the back.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, bump and bump. Yeah. Alright, come on.
I keep doing what I'm doing, you keep doing what you're doing. And at the end of the day, it's post facto. I did not know you were doing that for me. Yeah, boy! Yeah!
Yeah.
You're scary.
Hell,
You're scary.
Here, dude.
that gas tank is not gonna pop a hole in the floor. No, what I'm saying is why can I not push this forward? Because if I can push it forward, we'd be clear. Well, you're just gonna have to. Come on.
Yep, go homie.
Come on.
Hold on, pulling the chassis. There's a strap around the drive shaft right here.
That'll do it.
Yep.
You need more?
Can I just cut that? It's like that. It looks like a wire or something.
Oh, is it? Oh, I know what that is. Yeah.
What is it? Is it a brake cable or is it a wire?
Right there. It's like
It's, I don't know what it is.
it's a safety strap.
He says, I know what that is. Oh, what is it? I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I know what I said. I knew what it was.
What the f is that?
The handle of the.
Watch your mouth.
I'm under here, man. It's
What do you want me to do about it?
Just let me curse. Curse.
I need to check my blood pressure.
That works.
217 beats per minute. 184 over 124.
About to die. Start calling Jackrabbit, dude.
Hey, what's going on?
Crazy.
You all create this stress.
It's that little shock you got yesterday at the car wash.
That's what it was.
I was electrified by 220 volts.
That's thinking Beaker over here lighting stuff up.
Oh, I feel dizzy.
Beaker? Yeah, the muffler. His name was Beaker.
Would you please hurry up? This one is done.
Dude, he had a 2,000 calorie lunch on me.
Who?
This guy.
What does that mean?
And he ate a big fat burger. He was moving that quick.
Where'd you get a burger from?
It was a jalapeno popper chicken sandwich.
Jalapeno popper chicken sandwich.
Oh my lord.
Say that 10 times fast.
Jalapeno.
Spicy jalapeno popper chicken sandwich.
How are your guts not falling out on the floor?
I see the freaking.
Ho, 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 ho! Hey, ho, hey!
Eating the freaking.
All right, let's go.
Shit around.
Come on. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. Oh.
Wait, what am I doing? Am I
Hold on,
holding
hold on.
on?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. Go. Go. Oh. Look in here. I can't see.
Is that our valence?
Wait, let's go forward a little bit. Hang on. Watch out. Watch out now. Just watch out.
Hold on, there's a ground strap right.
Ah, come on. All right.
Can you just yank it out through the floor? It's unhooked.
What a bucket this is, boys and girls. I like that. Back control. It's like Janet Jackson song. Oh yeah. Oh! Oh! What is going on here?
Dude, had it. I just split the pallet in half, folks.
Oh man. Just watch. This should not be orange.
Yeah, we can blast all that into it with the cast iron.
I mean, just like quick. I mean, this is plumber strap. I mean, look at this. That is literally plumber strap.
You should have seen what was holding the radiator in.
Here, but God, that is just brutal right there.
What about, are we gonna repaint the engine the same?
Yes,
orange
I would
or-
paint the engine orange. All this stuff needs to be off and painted, or even, I don't care, we could send that down to powder coat. No problem with that whatsoever. That cannot take us a half a day.
When, what's the schedule on the chassis?
3
for it?
weeks.
Okay. And will it come already powder coated and everything?
Chassis will be powder coated, but the suspension, it's all aluminum.
Right, yeah.
So I'd want to just Scotch-Brite that. It already has all new bushings and everything in it. I'd want to do that and then get your alignment close because it's all shims.
Let's get a pallet, dude. Do we have a small pallet? I'm taking my pallet. I'm out of here, man. All right, motherfucker. I'm out of here. Me and my pallet, we're gone. Getting his workout, dude. He's gonna start sweating freaking Paul Painted Popper grease out, dude. Oh, dude, unless I smell like